So from past few days ஒரு மெசேஜ் வந்து ரொம்ப அதிகமா ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆகுது இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் டு இன்ஸ்டாகிராம். இது வந்து ஐ ஆல்சோ saw in some discussion groups. என்ன நியூஸ் மேம்? நியூஸ் வந்து நீட் 2026 சிலபஸ் ஒஃபிஷியல் சிலபஸ் என்டிஏ ஹேஸ் ரிலீஸ்ட் மாதிரி ஒரு நியூஸ் ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆகுது. அந்த நியூஸ்ல வந்து பிடிஎஃப் வந்து ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் நீட் 2025 பிடிஎஃப் எடிட் பண்ணி நீட் 2026 it has been changed to. Please understand, if NTA is giving an update, it will be given with the help of a public notice stating that this is the syllabus for NEET 2026. But this notice that has come is just a PDF copy of it. That PDF which has been just changed from NEET 2025 to NEET 2026. But every single student who is preparing for NEET 2026 cannot wait for the month of Jan or Feb for the syllabus to be released. That is why we are all sticking to 2025 syllabus, because the 2024 syllabus also was the same. So please do not, fall for such fake news. It's not a public notice, and please remember, whenever a public notice comes, the serial number is going to be different. So the serial number also is a copy of what was done in 2025. Okay, but according to 2025, whatever syllabus has been given, we are going to follow the same thing for 2026, but it is not an official update. That is what I want to tell all of you. So students, if you go into biology, you will notice that diversity in living world, the first unit has your living world chapter, biological classification, plant kingdom, animal kingdom. So in the chapters la vande living world ina, biodiversity is there, need for classification, taxonomy, systematics, concept of species, taxonomical hierarchy, binomial nomenclature is there, five kingdom classification, everything is there, salient features, that is your plant kingdom, and your sperm portion is not there, right? And here also animal kingdom also everything is there. And here very important thing that they have mentioned is 3 to 5 salient features and at least 2 examples. So yesterday I have already made a one shot video for animal kingdom. It is under video column. So there I have given you tricks to remember all the examples in the most easiest way possible. Now let's understand which are the deleted topics from the first unit. So diversity in living world, 3 domains of life is deleted. Tools for studying, that is your museums, zoos, herbaria, botanical garden, that portion is completely deleted. And from plant kingdom, angiosperm classification up to class, characteristic features and example also has been removed. So this is the deleted topic. Okay. Next, if you go structural organization in animals and plants, you'll notice that this morphology chapter has a lot of, problems. Why? Because there has been added families to it. So here you can see morphology and modification, tissue is there, anatomy is there, root, stem, leaf, inflorescence is there. Please understand students, last time also a lot of problems had come about modification, but everyone told you that modification is something that you can study, because here they have told to be dealt along with relevant practical of the practical syllabus. So when you scan your NCERT, there is a practical syllabus portion that will come where they talk about modifications of all of it. So it is always better that you study the chapter as such, just add-on families. But in last 2 years, we have noticed that add-on families questions have not much come. So that you can keep it to the later, don't have to focus right away. Okay, so which are the families? Malvaceae, Cruciferaceae, Leguminosae, Compositae, Graminaceae. So here Leguminosae you already know. Okay, animal tissue students, animal tissue is also very confusing. This entire unit is the most confusing unit, because in animal, the entire topic also, here they have given animal tissues. Animal tissues is a topic in your chapter. So that also teachers have been teaching, because in 2024, many teachers skipped animal tissues topic thinking that it is just a heading. But animal tissues is there, morphology, anatomy, functions are there, and here comes the confusing part. Of an insect. We know frog is not an insect, frog is an amphibian. So they are talking about insect means it should be cockroach. So that is why over time we have noticed that frog and cockroach is being taught together, because here insect cannot be frog. This can be a typing error which has never been corrected. Okay, so we are going to continue the preparation as such. Here students, cell structure and functions, I'll show you the added topics again. Here cell theory is there, structure of prokaryotes, eukaryotes is there, all the cell organelles are there, and here chromatid, nucleolus, everything is as such. Okay, here you can see in biomolecules, chemical constituents of living cells. This is where students get confused. They think that this is a heading, but that is a topic. That topic also is included. Okay, And here you can see biochemical structure of proteins, enzyme type, properties, enzyme action, nomenclature of enzymes. Okay, here spelling mistake has happened. Here you can see cell division, cell cycle, mitosis, meiosis and their significance. Entire chapter is there, everything is as such. Okay, now if you go to plant physiology, you know transport is completely deleted chapter. Photosynthesis also, students, everything is there up to factors affecting photosynthesis. Respiration also, everything is there up to respiratory quotient. Plant growth and development also, everything is there. Differentiation, de-differentiation, re-differentiation is there. All auxin, gibberellin, cytokinins, ethylene, everything is there. Okay, everything as such is there. Now when you come here to deleted topics from those plant physiology and everything, you'll notice that transport in plants, the entire chapter itself is completely removed. In that chapter, what and all topics, all these topics are removed. Then here students, last you can see seed dormancy, vernalization, photoperiodism is not there. Okay, according to your syllabus, this is not there. So this is one thing you have to remove it from your chapters. Clear? Other than that, everything else remains the same. Most of the time, teachers also teach you photoperiodism because it has a connection with certain topics. Seed dormancy also teachers teach you because when you teach about the hormones, it is automatically you have to understand that topic. But as such, it is not a big topic that has been deleted, but otherwise transport entire unit is deleted. Mineral nutrition also, here you can see everything there also is being deleted. Okay. Next, when you come to human physiology, breathing and exchange as such, body fluids and circulation as such, excretion also as such is there. Locomotion and movement also, everything is there. But here you can see again they have told that to be dealt with practical syllabus. This practical copy I had shared long back. I will also find it on my Telegram and share it with all of you. And the practical syllabus la vandu ella bones patti, all that whatever we are studying, no, humerus, radius, ulna, all that again it's mentioned in the practical syllabus. Okay, that we can go through once. Neural control and coordination. Here we have deletion of some topic from your reflex arc. Here if you see chemical coordination, everything remains the same. Everything remains the same. Here you can see human physiology, digestion and absorption chapter is completely removed from your entire syllabus. Okay. And then students, from neural action, you have reflex action is removed. Sense organ, elementary structure and function of eye and ear also has been removed. So that topic is no more there. Lucky enough, because that topic is a very complex topic. So most of the students do not like to study it. Okay. Now moving forward, reproduction, sexual reproduction as such. Here reproduction in organism chapter used to be there in your old NCERT, that has been removed. Now if you have a doubt, should I follow old NCERT, new NCERT, I have already made a video. I will show you the video. That video you have to check it out for that. Okay. Here you can see students, sexual reproduction, everything remains the same. Human reproduction also, everything remains the same. Here only one small NCERT change is there when you learn about mammary glands. Okay. Sexual reproduction also, tassels, okay, corn cob tassels, that has been changed. That year it has been changed to. That also I have told you. Reproductive health also, everything remains the same. Now here you can see reproduction in organism, entire topic has been deleted, where we used to study about fission, vegetative reproduction, fragmentation, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, basics we used to study. That entire topic has been completely removed for all of you. Okay. Now genetics and evolution, you have your molecular basis of inheritance and principles of inheritance. Here only one thing that has been added or mentioned here is protein biosynthesis, which is not there in your molecular basis of inheritance. But here biomolecules, you are already studying protein biosynthesis, so that only you are studying here. Okay, but it has been just replaced from there to here. Otherwise everything remains the same in both the chapters. Evolution also, everything remains the same. Every single thing is there for you to study. Nothing has been skipped. Here human health and diseases, here also tobacco abuse, drug and alcohol abuse is there. Tobacco abuse is not mentioned. Okay, tobacco abuse is not mentioned. Here microbes in human welfare, everything is there students. Household, food processing, industrial production, sewage, energy, biocontrol agents, everything is as such present. Okay, everything is as such present. Clear? Okay, now you can see here in biology and human welfare, tobacco abuse is not there. If you see there, you notice that drug and alcohol abuse is there, but tobacco abuse, the conversation has not happened. But it is the same thing, peer pressure, the same points are itself used. Okay, but as such, like extra is not there. Here, improvement in food strategy, that entire chapter has been removed. But from that chapter, few things has been taken. Like what? Your plant breeding, tissue culture has been taken from there and they have been placed into biotechnology, which we usually teach you in biotechnology. Like when we are teaching you biotechnology application, we automatically teach you this. Okay. So here you can see biotechnology principles and processes, everything as such remains students. Biopiracy, patent, till biosafety issues are there. Here you can see added topics in biotechnology application is going to be a tissue culture, somatic hybridization, micropropagation, which has been removed from strategies in human welfare and put into biotechnology. So if you have old NCERT, study it from strategies chapter. Okay. Now, ecology and environment, organism and environment, population interaction, mutualism, competition. Here again, here and there some things have been removed. I'll show you. Population attributes, growth, birth rate, death rate is there. Ecosystem also, biomass, energy is there. Biodiversity also, till your sacred grooves is there. But here please remember, endangered organism, extinction, red data book, biosphere, this has been mentioned separately. Okay, so you have to focus on that. Now from here, what has been deleted, you can see habitat and niche. This habitat and niche has been a confusion. Why? Because it's not mentioned here. But this topic, before we used to teach habitat and niche, we used to teach, but then later students only started telling that ma'am edukku teach pandra ma'am idu vandu already deleted achu. So that's why nowadays teachers don't teach it. Okay, habitat and niche, population, ecological adaptation, nutrient cycle, carbon and phosphorus is not there. Ecological succession, ecological service, carbon fixation, pollination, oxygen release is not there. Environmental issues, air pollution, water pollution, agrochemical, solid waste management, radioactive, greenhouse, ozone depletion, deforestation, and any 3 success case studies also is not there. These are the deleted topics. Okay. Now, if I show you the total added topics into your syllabus, this is going to be an added topic. In structural organization, that is your morphology and anatomy chapter, you have Malvaceae, Cruciferaceae, Leguminosae, Compositae, Graminaceae, and here if you notice your frog is there in your new NCERT, cockroach is there in your old NCERT, earthworm also was there, but earthworm is completely deleted, but frog and cockroach confusion still remains. Okay. Here you can see cell structure and function, classification and nomenclature of enzyme, genetics and evolution, protein biosynthesis, which was something that you are already studying. Okay, and biological, this human health and diseases students, dengue and chikungunya has been added, but no questions have been come so far. But last year, like whatever videos are already there, you can just watch that. But then as such, questions have not come from the topic. Now, talking about new NCERT, old NCERT, what are the changes in that? This is the video for you. Big NCERT update I have told you, because that is one change between your new NCERT and old NCERT. Check out this video and also do subscribe to the channel. Most of you are just watching all the videos but not subscribing. I do not know what's the problem, but let's make this channel 10K. I want to really see how many Tamil Nadu students are out there who can really make this channel big. Okay, so do subscribe to the channel. These are the 3 playlists that you have to focus. I am taking class 12 one-shot videos, class 11th one-shot videos. So check out on the channel. It is not under live, it is under videos, and every single day you have PYQ practice, so don't miss that. In this tips and tricks, you can see all the strategies that is really required for you to crack NEET. What are the mistakes that you are doing that you are not supposed to do. So this is what I want to tell all of you. And students, we are very, very close to our 10K steps. So also do join on our VNEET Telegram channel, where you're going to get daily quizzes, notes, and all the information about the classes. The link is in the description, so make sure that you're clicking on the link as well. So that's it I want to tell you, students. You are not alone in this. Click the subscribe button and let's pass this task. Okay, let's pass this task of NEET 2026. We are right now at 8,300 steps, so we are close to 10,000. So make sure that you do it. Every single you click on the subscribe, it's an add-on value. Don't think that if I subscribe, how much is it going to matter. Every single subscription, every single subscribe button that you're clicking matters a lot. So thank you so much, students. See you all in the next video. I hope there's no confusion about syllabus. Physics and chemistry, if you want, please let me know in the chats as well.